Now then, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're checking out the Eufy E25. Okay, so here we've got the Eufy E25, the robot vacuum Omni. So this is our first purchase of Black Friday 2025 of obviously the week off Amazon, directly off Amazon for $5.99, reduced from around $8.99, I believe. So you might be thinking, Ben, what do you know about robot vacuums? Well, let me tell you, I know a thing or two about robot vacuums. So firstly, a few years ago, we did buy an Eufy robot vacuum ourselves, which I will just show you in a moment which one we've got. I also reviewed another one from Ultenic on the channel. So I do have two robot vacuums, one for downstairs and one for upstairs. One I bought and one was a promotional video we did for Ultenic. Okay, so here we go. We've got the two older vacs. So I've got the Ultenic. This is the T10 Lite Ultenic vacuum. And I've got this, the Eufy, which is the Eufy RoboVac G30 Hybrid. This one just vacs, there's no mop included or anything like that. This one vacs and mops. The best thing about the Ultenic, over the Eufy anyway, is that it goes into a compartment and it sucks the muck out of it, so you don't have to empty this all the time. This one is a tray, which isn't too difficult. You've got to remove that and put it into the bin. But that's what we're good about the Ultenic. But everything else about the Eufy is better than the Ultenic. The cleaning, the usage, the application, the kind of pickup, the actual voice and sounds coming from the vac is better. The Ultenic is good, it's good at what it does. I wouldn't 100% recommend it. It's probably deteriorated a little bit over the last few months as well, letting us down a little bit with a bit of wear and tear, I think. But we have kept it clean. But yeah, Ultenic, Eufy, that's my backstory. So I've got a little bit of experience. And on this, we didn't really use the mop very much because we didn't think it performed very well. So I'm hoping the Eufy E25 RoboVac Omni can kind of take us up another level. Hopefully it does. So I'll go through a couple of specs on there, and then I won't unbox it in here. I'll go inside because I've got vacing out here. We'll go inside, get it all connected up, show some kind of time lapses of all that, and then actually try the vac out, and I'll come back out here and we'll do a bit of a summary at the end. Okay, so we've been using the Eufy E25 vacuum now for a couple of weeks, and so far it has been absolutely brilliant. So in terms of the pros, it's really good in terms of the setup. The actual use of the actual device is really easy, it's quite intuitive. The actual vacuuming and mopping, really impressive compared to experience with other vacuums. Obviously I mentioned the Eufy and the Ultenic one I've got, but this one kind of wipes the floor with them. It's got the two rotating kind of brushes that obviously brush things in and vac things up. It's got the anti-tangle technology built into the actual vacuum part, so hair doesn't tangle. We have seen that quite a lot before on our previous vacuums as well, so that's really great. The mopping has been really good so far. The one thing I was worried about, because in the actual kitchen area, the living room area, you may have seen, I've got kind of a couple of rugs, or 3 rugs, and I was worried it would actually go into the rug and wet the rug. It doesn't do that. It must detect it, detects carpet anyway, detects rugs, and then doesn't wet them, basically stops the mopping kind of procedure during the actual going over of those surfaces, so that's really good. The self-cleaning element's really good, so when you actually start the vac up, it actually wets the mops, gets them ready, heats them up as well, and then once it's finished, it goes back into the docking station, sucks all the rubbish out of it, and then cleans the mops as well. So obviously the rubbish, the dirty water, remain then in the actual base station. You simply lift those out and remove them, really simple. And obviously then you can refill the actual clean water element with some more water for extra mopping. But the actual mop part of it, the water lasts for days. We've not filled it up, and we've filled it up once more since we filled it up the first time. So the amount of water it actually takes on is quite minimal really, which is really good. So this kind of short-term first impression, kind of couple of weeks, so far so good. I would recommend the vacuum cleaner compared to other ones that I've had in the past as well. We're happy with our purchase, we'll be keeping the vacuum. It is really impressive. Build quality, the actual capability of it, the self-cleaning, the actual use of it in the app, really good. Definitely a step up on the previous Eufy we had, and 100% a step up on the Ultenic. The mopping capability alone is miles better with that spinning kind of mop head underneath, and then the double brushes as well, as I mentioned, which are really good on the front, collect more and more dust and dirt and bits on the floor basically, which is perfect for our laminate flooring across that ground floor. As I mentioned, this is the kind of first 2-3 week kind of mini review so far. We'll use this now for a few months, and I probably will do a follow-up just to confirm kind of future thoughts, if it's been good over a longer period of time, if it keeps up that kind of good work that it can do. And we may have to replace some parts at some point, the brushes and the mop section possibly, but we will cover that in the actual follow-up video just to confirm those parts. Okay, hopefully you've liked the video, or at least found it informative. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Let me know in the comment section why. I'll drop links below in the description to where we got it from, which was simply on Amazon, but you can purchase this from different kind of obviously retailers. I got it off Amazon because it was the lowest price during Black Friday, but it is available in different places, so you may get a better deal than what's on Amazon currently. If you've got any questions about the product, about the vacuum cleaner, about the other vacuum cleaners, anything I've not covered at all, please do drop that in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY channel for more DIY projects, tech reviews, giveaways, and much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.